Over the years, we've worked on so many different types of fires, and it's difficult to categorize all of the reasons, all of the root causes. Just have an awareness, a consciousness of the things that could cause a fire around your home. If you smell something, do something. That could be an indication that you need to clean your dryer vent, or if your clothes aren't drying well, that could be an indication something's wrong with your dryer vent. If you have children in the household, they might have done something, they might have moved something like a power strip underneath your drapes that would get hot and stay hot. If you cook frequently, then you probably need some type of a fire extinguishing option in your kitchen in proximity. You need to talk to your family members about not becoming distracted when they're cooking. You need to be mindful not to overbuild a fire in your fireplace, or if you're grilling and you're using briquettes, that those are potentially a source of starting a fire, and you don't want to put them in a bag and put them in your garage. They may still ignite. These are just some of the root causes of different fires that we've worked on. Special mention goes to hoverboards, where in the last year we've had 3 different incidents where folks left hoverboards plugged in, and at some point they just burst into flames and caused significant damage to properties. So just take a look around, make sure your batteries are fresh, and your smoke detectors and your carbon monoxide detectors, and just look at your home from a risk assessment and fire avoidance perspective.